Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best wireless switch motorcycle lamps. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Eye F150 motorcycle headlight. Specifications: brand name, Eye F150. Wattage, 20 watts. Power, 20 watts. Voltage, 12 to 24 volts. Color temperature, 3000 K 6000 K. Materials, CNC aluminum. Luminous flux, 3000 to 6000. Color of light, yellow and white. Number 4 on our list is Future Eye F150S. Specifications: brand, Future Eyes. Model, F150S. Power, 60 watts. Voltage, 12 volts. Installation diameter, 22 to 32 millimeters. Color temperature, 3000 K 6000 K. Waterproof level, IP67. Power, 60 watts. Number 3 on our list is Future Eyes UF1. Specifications: brand name, Future Eyes. Wattage, 60 watts. Item type, spotlight assembly. Lumens, 6000 lm. Low beam color, yellow. High beam color, white. Number 2 on our list is Eye F150 wireless switch motorcycle lamp. Specifications: brand name, Eye F150. Wattage, 60 watts. Item type, headlight assembly. Light color, white plus yellow. Voltage, DC 10-24 volts. Lifespan, 50,000 hours plus. Material, high thermal conductivity aluminum. Color temperature, 3000 K plus 6000 K. Luminous flux, 3000 lm 6000 lm. Number 1 on our list is Future Eye F150. Specifications: brand name, Future Eye. Model, F150. Wattage, 60 watts. Item type, spotlight assembly. Lumens, 6000 lm. Low beam color, yellow. High beam color, white.